Hey YouTube, it's your girl Charmin from the Trade Masters. I'm always excited, but this one is due to popular demand. So I had a lot of people reach out to me after they saw the pocket options video asking, can you teach or provide a pocket options tutorial in person, virtual in person? But can we have an interactive pocket options session? The answer is yes. So September 6th, 7th, and 8th, clear your schedule. We're providing a boot camp just for you. So many people emailed me. I'm like, okay, we'll do it. So the Trade Masters is providing a boot camp the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th. You do not want to miss this. It is interactive. It is live. You can unplug. You can ask. You can if something is not clicking, you better get it clicked before you leave here on one of those days. It is for all three. You're not paying for this day or that day or that day. You get all 3 days for $350. What? Yes, $350. Those of you all that know me and you've inquired about our 12-week mentorship program, you know that cost is a little bit more, and some people just can't afford it. So we're making this boot camp affordable for just about everybody. It's going to be on Zoom, nothing complicated. The whole world knows and understands Zoom at this point. Click the link, join us. You're going to have access to resources even before your boot camp starts. So register early, pay your monies early. It is $350 US dollars, guys. I don't care where you're from, what part of the world you're from. You can tune in with us. We're super excited. So join us September 6th, 7th, and 8th for our Pocket Options Bootcamp. The cost is $350. If you need to register, my email has been on this thing for the entire time. Email me. We'll send you an invoice. Once your invoice is paid, we're going to put you in a Discord. You're going to have access to resources and materials even before your class starts. Our goal is for you to understand for real, understand how to trade. You know that I'm a teacher. This is my actual classroom. I'm on my plan period. So we are really good at breaking information down, building it back up in a very simple manner. We want you to get this money. Let this be your last broke year. Let this be your last broke month. Let's join together. We've got some amazing people on our team that's able to just kind of lock arms with you, help walk you through your journey. So hopefully I'll see you. And if not, I'll see you in the market. Love you guys. Bye.